Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix the verification code cannot be sent to this phone number at the time in your Apple ID. If you are trying to create your new Apple ID and you're having the issue that you cannot verify yourself, or you're having the issue that the verification code cannot be sent on the phone number, so let's see how can you fix that issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to disconnect with your VPN if you have any connected. Open settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and from here you just have to disconnect with your VPN. And once you have disconnected, you have to scroll down and look for the option of transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, and here you just have to enter your passcode and your all of the network setting will be resetted. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And once you have done, you just have to go back, and here you have to select the option of the date and time, and you have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle to set date and time automatically, and you have entered and selected the correct time zone here. And once you have checked all of these, so it might be that your issue will be fixed. You have to try to retry to get password or verification code. So if you are still having the same issue, so you just have to make a force restart your phone. So not to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button. Wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to wait for your phone until it's restarted. You have to release the button. And once your phone has been restarted, you have to retry, and it will be that your problem will be fixed. Or if this step doesn't work for you, so you have to try to change your the country code in the on entering your phone number. So you have to select the correct country code in which you're living, and once you have selected this, your problem will be fixed and you will get the verification code. So in this way, you can really fix your issue that your verification code is not sent on to your iPhone or phone number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.